He's the strong one, the one everyone calls, the one who listens, the one who fixes everything. But no one asks who carries him. Empathy is power until it becomes exhaustion. And when a man gives without recharging, he doesn't explode, he fades. Patience gets shorter, silence gets heavier, joy gets quieter. What if burnout isn't weakness, but a warning? Today, we talk about the strength most men ignore, not just how to care deeply, but how to refill your well. Without guilt, stay with me. This might be the reset you didn't know you needed. He was the strong one, the reliable one, the steady one, the one everyone leaned on when things fell apart. Friends came to him, family depended on him, colleagues trusted him. He carried their fears, absorbed their frustrations, held space in their pain, and he did it quietly because no one ever told him. That empathy is weight, the hidden cost of caring. Empathy is powerful. It builds connection. It strengthens leadership. It deepens love. But when a man gives without restoring, he slowly empties himself. He listens when he is exhausted. He solves when he is drained. He comforts when he himself needs comfort. And because he is strong, no one notices the cracks forming. They see stability. They don't see depletion. They see composure. They don't see the quiet fatigue behind it. But even the strongest well runs dry if it is never refilled. The breaking point. One day he snapped, not in anger, but in silence. He felt distant, irritable, numb. He questioned himself. Why am I so tired? Why do I feel disconnected? Why does caring feel heavy now? The answer was simple, but hard to admit. He had mastered empathy for others, but neglected compassion for himself. And empathy without boundaries becomes emotional exhaustion, redefining strength. He realized something transformative. Strength is not endless output. Strength is sustainable energy. Real masculine resilience does not mean absorbing every burden without pause. It means knowing when to step back. It means saying, I need time. I need quiet. I need to recharge. It means protecting your inner well with the same intensity. You protect everyone else. Recharging the well. Recharging is not weakness. It is wisdom. It is the discipline to disconnect from noise, to sit in silence, to breathe without solving anyone's problems. It is going for that walk alone, turning off the phone, spending time in reflection instead of reaction. It is returning to purpose, because when a man reconnects with himself, he does not lose strength. He multiplies it. He becomes calmer, clearer, more intentional. His empathy becomes sharper, not heavier. His presence becomes powerful again, not strained. The balanced man, a man who understands empathy and recovery, moves differently. He feels deeply, but he does not drown. He supports others, but he does not sacrifice himself. He listens, but he knows when to rest. He gives, but he also replenishes, because he understands his truth. You cannot pour strength into others from an empty soul. And emotional fatigue is not failure. It is a signal, a reminder, a call to restore. The renewal. When he began to recharge intentionally, something shifted. His patience returned. His clarity sharpened. His joy resurfaced. He realized that empathy is not about carrying everyone's weight. It is about walking beside them without losing yourself. And when your well is full, your support becomes sustainable. Your leadership becomes grounded. Your love becomes deeper. Recall, if you are the strong one, the dependable one, the one who never complains, pause. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you restored your own strength? You deserve recovery. You deserve stillness. You deserve renewal. Because a man who understands both empathy and restoration becomes unstoppable. Not because he never gets tired, but because he knows how to rise again. Refill your well, protect your energy, feel deeply, rest intentionally, and return stronger than before. Music swells, fade out,